is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video looks at how to work the simple right-leaning double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche. Inverted double knitted brioche because I'm working with my yarns in the different order. So I'm working all the knit stitches of the pair with my pearl coloured yarn and the pearl stitches of the pair with my knit coloured yarn. As always in inverted double knitted brioche, I'm starting with my 2 yarns going over the top of the right needle, sitting at the back of the work. All of the double decreases in this particular set start off with needing their stitches to be rearranged from knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl to knit, 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 purl, purl, purl. And there's another video in this series showing how to do that. It's exactly the same if you're working in inverted or in standard mode. So the video for standard mode works perfectly well here. As you can see, I've already done that. So I've got 3 adjacent blue knit stitches followed by 3 adjacent brown purl stitches, all with their attendant contrasting coloured yarn overs in place. This then is the simple right-leaning double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche, and to start with both my yarns at the back of the work, I'm going to knit the 3 knit stitches with their yarn overs together. It's a standard K3 tog, but I'm going to use my pearl coloured yarn to do it. It's a standard K3 tog, but there are 6 strands of yarn in play because of those yarn overs around the shoulders of every stitch. That's that bit done, that's the first half. Then I work my yarn manoeuvres for inverted double knitted brioche, which is bringing both yarns to the front, coming between the 2 needles, then taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle like that. Now I've got to work the second half of the decrease, which in this case is an SSSP, which is slip, 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 purl. And to do that, I have to first remount these 3 stitches with their yarn overs so they sit with their leading leg behind the needle instead of in front, and here's how you do it. Slip 1 stitch knitwise with its yarn over from the left needle to the right, slip the 2nd stitch with its yarn over also knitwise from the left needle to the right, and do the same with the 3rd, all knitwise there. Then I'm going to slip all 3 of those stitches, purlwise this time, going back from the right needle to the left. Make sure I keep that in the right place there. And then I'm going to purl all of these 3 stitches with their yarn overs together and through the back legs, which means on the back of the work, keeping that yarn over in place, it will want to slide off sometimes, so make sure you put your thumb there and keep it in place. Purl them together by going in behind all 3 of the stitches and the yarn overs, coming in through all of them towards you in that direction, and then purling them together with your knit coloured yarn. Making sure as you slip the old stitches off the left needle that you maintain the position of that pearl coloured yarn over the top of the new stitch there. And then just finish off by taking your knit coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle. Let's have a look at what you've achieved there. You can see these 3 lines of blue stitches coming together, all stacking up on top of each other, leaning over to the right and turning the work over. You can see that the opposite in the opposite colour is true. These 3 brown stitches come together and stack up on top of each other, leaning over to the left. These simple decreases do always show the little colour blips there, but nonetheless they're still very effective and very attractive. And that's how to work the simple right-leaning double decrease in inverted double knitted brioche. Zip!